Hello everyone, this is Tanya from Gifted Teacher 305 here with Carson DeLosa to discuss indoor recess. The dreaded word, right? Well, guess what? My kids love indoor recess and I'm always prepared for a rainy or a cold day where the kids can't go outside and play. And my tip for this is tabletop games. Tabletop games are so easy that you can create them yourself or you can get them at places like Dollar Spot or the Dollar Tree. This was one that I got recently. But if you don't want to purchase them, you can even make them yourself. If you keep it to simple games where the kids are traditionally familiar with, like tic-tac-toe and Connect 4, it's really simple. I create my own Connect 4 board. I laminate it and I use non-traditional pieces like the mini erasers that we're kind of loving and the kids love to use. So it is simple, it is quick, the kids don't have to read the instructions and they're having a ton of fun. So remember, tic-tac-toe, Connect 4, and tabletop games. Those are your friends for indoor recess. I hope this tip was helpful. Thank you for watching.